Do you put millionaires and billionaires in the same bracket of wealth? In this video, we're going to explore how much richer billionaires are relative to millionaires. No, to really conceptualize how much bigger a billion is, let's look at time. Now, we know 1 year is approximately 365 days, 1 day is approximately 24 hours, 1 hour is approximately 60 minutes, and 1 minute is approximately 60 seconds. Now, if we look at 1 million seconds and I try to convert it into days, what I would do is I'll take 1 million, which is 1. Using standard form, we can multiply it by 10 to the power of 6. Now, to convert this into days, first I would have to divide by 60 to convert from seconds into minutes. Then to convert it to hours, I need to divide by another 60. And then I need to divide by 24 to convert to days. When you calculate this, you get approximately 12 days, which is about 3% of a whole year. Now, when you do that with a billion, which is 9 zeros, and you do the exact same process, you get approximately 11,600 days, which is a lot. So when you convert that into years by dividing by 365, we get approximately 32 years. Nice.